Hello everybody. Today I am going to be trying to make this rthro die. Okay, rthro, as a lot of people say, rthro is kind of ugly. You know? I mean, sometimes I want to make it look ugly, but this just crossed the line. I know a lot of people think this is cool, but the head. Guys, the head is the main thing that is not cool. What is going on? What just happened? What has just happened? Get back, noob. Oh my god. Why don't we just both try to push this guy off? No, stop. Stop. Asked 5. You should have asked before you did what you did. You can't push me all the way. You can't push me, okay? You can't. Where are my feet in the ground? You're supposed to die. Well, he did die. But he walked off on his own. Ooh, we're gonna need insurance after this. Actually, we need insurance right now. Oh, we need insurance. Hello, I need insurance. I'm an rthro. Oh, trailer park. More like movie trailer. Hey, soccer kid, you look really ugly. Like me. If this is like an earthquake, I'll get up here. If it's like a... Stop. 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 I'll just be up here. Have you seen my son? His name is Sam. His name is Thunderstorm. Don't stand in the open or high places. I want to stand in both of those places. Come on, I'm the highest thing on the map. I'm the highest thing on the map. It's supposed to get me. Well, now I'm the highest thing on the map. Come on, If you don't kill me, then I'll kill myself. Yay, you killed the rthro! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, sure. But don't just go around friending me. I just need to ask him if we can, like, make a video together. Oh, hi, person with paper wings and... Big Mac attack. Big Mac attack. He died. If he dies, if you die, he dies. That was weird. I don't get stuff. Wait a minute. Actually, if I go right here, you can't push me in. As Levi. Oh my gosh. In fact, I had to change the floors. This one is basically a free pass. There's one phone drains into the floors and I had to change them. Oh my gosh. Seagulls. Stop it! Okay. It had a really sad face. Oh, let me put you out of your misery. Oh, never mind. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, go. Oh, it doesn't respawn me up there. I'm gonna be so mad. It didn't. Well, at least I'm alone. Oh yeah, and that song that she was singing in Roblox is called Bushes of Love. Why am I not signed in? Oh yeah. Duh. This is Google Chrome. I'm signed in on Google. It's called, yeah. Bushes of Love. Bushes of Love, a bad lip reading. It's right here. I can only let you hear like a tiny bit of it. If you want to hear the... one second. That's all I can let you hear. Now if you want to, see this, or a bad lip reading, go to his channel and watch it. I love it. He also makes other things, like seagulls. Stop it now. He made that. Yeah. Oh, there's a volcano. Let me just, turn the volume back on. Now, I'm a knight. I can spin. Oh, I made a friend with a guy who has a burger on his head. I accidentally said a booger. But I said a booger. I mean a burger. Oh my gosh, I meant to say a burger, not a booger. Just stand right here. No, push you in. Is it too far? What? They have found out. Jump on me. Jump on me. Jump on me. Wait a minute, I wanted to jump on me. Jump on me. Jump on me. He has died. Oh, it's dying. Just need to... Whoa, that slow motion is so cool. I just want to wait. Hey, electric homie. Don't you know give me Robux. I want Robux. Wait, no. Send me money on PayPal, even though I don't have one. I got this. I got this. No, what the heck? They pushed me. I got this. I got this. I got this. No, I got this. No, I want to do this. No, I do. No, I want to do this. No, I want to do this. No, I want to get in there. I want to get in there. Now, are you ready to be launched into space? Well, I am, because I'm going to be one of the people being launched into space. I'm doing this for you guys. Come on. I mean, I guess it keeps me safe from the meteor shower. But I won't launch for some reason. Well, why won't you launch me? Come on, launch. I wonder if you get hurt if you're under the fire. How? A meteor keeps on hitting my camera. Why, though? I'm still just waiting for this to take off. Well, if it doesn't take off, that's actually good, because when it takes up... Okay. My mom is leaving. I can do like any other thing that I want. Well, I just sit here and watch meteors go around me. Everyone else is screaming and running in pain. Like that. This is what they sound like in real life. Oh, like that. Oh, like this. whatever. What's going on? Is this Burger Man? How did I die? How did I die? How did I die from that? How did I die? How did I die? I mean, at least I basically survived launch land again. Oh no. I want to be at the top. The elite seats. No, the elite seats. Okay, I guess this is an elite seat for now. The fire's on. Why am I not? The booster's on. Why are we not leaving? So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, or this thing will never launch. What the heck just happened? I don't care. I don't care. Whatever it is. This will never launch if you don't like and subscribe. So make sure you do that and hit that notification bell, or it will never launch. So yeah, bye.